what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. So today, I figured that we would do something a little different, make some Halloween cocktails. Halloween is coming up. It is my favorite time of year. First one we're gonna do is a berry Scary Spritz. So I normally just use a wine glass. Do a thing of ice, and I like ice all the way to the rim, or close to the rim. Take 1 part Malibu. Now this calls for 1 part Malibu, but I may do a 1.5 parts because I'm a Malibu girl, so no judgments. I'm drinking responsibly. So we gonna flip it a little bit more. Do 1 part tonic water. Now you can do soda water if you want, but I like tonic water instead. Oh. You would think I'd be drinking already. 1 part Moscato. Ooh, yeah, girl, get it. Come to mama. And the last thing is the blueberry lemonade. I love it. And we're just gonna do it. Yeah, I think that's enough. All right, so this is the Berry Scary Spritz. Oh, that's so good. So we're gonna leave that one there. Right, you guys, and the next cocktail that we're gonna do is Vampire's Weakness. So I'm gonna just do a little spin on it. I don't use the exact measurements as they do just because I just don't. We are using Tullamore whiskey, and we're gonna do 2 part whiskey. If you guys have not tried this whiskey, you really should. It's good. And 1 part Campari. And 1 part sweet vermouth. Okay. I know it's gonna be a little red, but I actually put a drop of food coloring in, so it's a little bit more of a red. Oh yeah. Garnish it with an eyeball. Boop. And there you have it. A Vampire's Weakness. That's good. All right, you guys, and the last cocktail that we're gonna do is a Witch's Brew. You can use lime juice or water or anything to cover the rim, but I use a simple syrup, and I just put it down like this. And I went to my local drugstore and just got the Halloween sprinkles, and I just put them on a plate and twisted it around like this. So the Witch's Brew, there's a couple of ways to do it. Again, I'm just doing the one that I liked. It's actually pretty simple. So it's 1 part lime juice, 2 part vodka, and 1 part blackberry liqueur. Let's shake. All right, and that is the Witch's Brew. I just love that purple. It's so cute. Oh, that's so good. Well, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar so you guys know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys. Happy Halloween. Bye.